I like it. And this would be basically as high as it goes. You want it straight up. Just below chin level. Do something like this. That's like medium. Lower it a little more. It's like just below my chest. Yeah, that's like upper stomach. Do the tank bag on here and see how it fits. See if any of these make any difference. Go up just a little bit. Alright, let's try this for. That's not too bad. I think that'll work pretty good. Don't even know it's there. Doesn't have to be hooked to my helmet. Just sit right there. Meow. Aim her up a little bit. Like that. Perfect. Let's tighten this shit down. I think it'll be all right. Always tether it right to the tank bag in case it flies off. Be good to go. It's not that much lower than a chin mount. Pretty sweet. I think that's the ticket. Along with this microphone. I'll even put it in my back pocket or cargo pocket so to pick up noise. Alright, that's enough for today. Alright, yeah, I like this mount. See how it works when I'm riding, but GoPro ain't my way. It's just a little bit below the chin. It's hooked right onto the gas tank. Comes back here, and I'll tether the GoPro to the tank bag in case anything goes wrong. But a nice little mount. No more camera hanging on my helmet. I bought a lightweight carbon helmet, so I don't want anything on it, otherwise it's just a waste of money, you know. Start hanging heavy ass shit on it. So we're gonna run her like this. See how it works. See ya.